kwijaho bwanyuma y'abezi abezi bineta kana ukutandika ikibuzo cyabo cyo kubanza ikikumanywa nka briefing ahabezi barukaburwa ibibashemere gukora babana bakore ebigyezo byabo abezi abarukwingana emitwaro 36 n'N187 bo barukuza kushutama ebibuzo by'ekyakana umwaka ogu okuruko musente 13 ekitongole kiri kujunanizibwa ebigyezo mu ihanga ekya UNEB kyaterera abanyayuganda b'omuranga baitotereho n'abazeire okukozesa ekiro kyo Rwakatano Rwamukaaga hamwe na Sande okonga abaana aba mu mikono ya Nyampanga.
From 2 o'clock, and the written examination will start on Monday 16th with geography paper 1 and paper 2. Now during this briefing, candidates are going to be taken through the rules and regulations on the conduct of the Uganda Certificate of Education examination.
Omuringo nko gumaye ekitongole kya UNEB cyaraburabo bona abenentekateka yo kwibebuzo bari kugira ngo ha murundo ogu bari kuza kubagerera mbabazi zona.
Cancel results of those candidates who will have been proved to have been involved in any form of malpractice, whether this malpractice was solicited by themselves or was given by the teachers or any other person.
Ebyo bikiriaho odongo yaraburana abafere abari hamitimbagano okukira munonga amasimu gitu abari kugira ngo beine ebigyezo bikuza kushitama ari kugira ngo abazeire abezi hamwe n'abashomesa babegendesereza abo kubaba baza kuhabisa abana atiyo nuko kurari kabo bona bari kwejumbira mu muzogu ngo ekitongole kya UNEB kikataha amateka utiriho n'ebibonerezo by'amani abari gukora ebintu nkebi.
We had also scammers that are defrauding people on the forthcoming UCE. I came across one message telling the people in that group that our paper 2 has been modified, so wait for the next one, which we are going to send. Unfortunately, there are schools, particularly private schools, that believe in these things and they don't learn because every year they get scammed.
Ebyo tubitera harubaju abazeire abaina bana omutubine cyakana bashabwa kwatsanisa n'abembezi b'amashomero okurebeka ngo bagonjore shonga ya fizi abana tubateganisibwa mbibuzo.
To encourage parents to address this issue of school fees balances with the heads of schools early enough. Either they will work out a mechanism by which they will pay the fees balances in installments, or indeed any other mechanism that is acceptable to both parties.
Konka ekitongole ntetume kya UNEB kyaterera abembezi b'amashomero muranga obutaremesa abana kushitama bibuzo beitobo bari kucyegekerera obutashashura fees kugihezayo.
We are also requesting heads of centers to be humane. Avoid the act of pulling out candidates once they are already in the examination room. This has happened.
Ebyo bikiriaho mugamzi wa polisi mu ihanga Fred Nanga yashobora ku polisi ahereze cyarumwe kwetebekanisa okurinda ebigeze byate bya polisi bitarumwe na mu ihanga.
Bulijjo ekitongole ki polisi tulina obuvunanyizibwa obw'okulaba nti ebyokwerinda binywezebwa mu kiseera kino ekyebibuuzo kisoboseze ebibuuzo okutambula obulungi awatali kusomoozebwa konna.
Abakuraga gashakwa Ronald Ngabirano awa Sky TV agenshonga mu Kampala.